Hello, thank you for joining me on Dishing with me, Heather D. And I have a very quick video for you. This is going to help you jumpstart or get a late start on your healthy eating, maybe trying to shed a few pounds before summer actually gets here. And if you're like me, you're getting a late start. Yeah. Well, this video, I believe you will enjoy it. It's simple and it is easy. And it is something that you, maybe your whole family will enjoy because it is so simple and easy to put together. You will like it, especially when you don't feel like turning on your oven. So stay tuned and see how I get this put together. We're going to start with some shredded cheese, sliced tomatoes, and sliced cucumbers, along with some washed romaine lettuce. And for my wrap, I'm using some keto-friendly, extreme wellness, high-fiber tortilla wraps. You can use whatever wraps you like. You can use the spinach. You can use the whole wheat or whole grain, whatever you like. You can even use the regular. I'm also using some store-bought hummus that has the roasted red peppers. You can use the garlic and some creamy style guacamole. Now, these are just some quick ingredients that you can add to this wrap. You can add shredded carrots. You can add vegan cheese. You can add olives, pickles, red onion slices, however you like your wrap to be. I'm going to use approximately 2 to 3 tablespoons of hummus. When I had this wrap the first time, it was from a restaurant and they didn't put a lot of hummus on it. So I wanted to recreate my own version by adding as much hummus as I like. So I added about good 2 to 3 tablespoons, and I'm going to add about 1 to 2 tablespoons of the guacamole. These are good healthy fats that is good for your body, and this is like really nice vegetarian dish. And you can make it vegan by choosing the vegan wraps and using vegan cheese for your dish. Once you spread on your hummus and your guacamole, next is just adding your veggies. So to keep from making my wrap soggy, I went ahead and added my lettuce first. This is going to be the base of my my wrap here. And once you add your lettuce, you can add whatever lettuce you like. You can even add some spinach. Spinach will be a good replacement if you like for the romaine lettuce. I just like romaine hearts because it just have a really good flavor. You add your sliced tomatoes and then you just kind of build it up according to your taste. Then I go ahead and I add my cucumber slices. These are the English cucumbers because it doesn't have as many seeds. My stomach can digest it better. And I'm going to add my shredded cheese. You can omit the cheese if you don't like cheese. And then once you add all your toppings, then it's just a matter of wrapping it up like a regular burrito. And that is it. You have your lunch. You can have this for dinner. It's so quick and easy. You don't have to turn on a stove, and you can have this for whenever you want that craving. It's going to give you the protein. It's going to give you your vegetables. It's keto friendly. I mean, this is just something simple that I believe you will love, and it's so full of flavor. I went ahead and cut this in half because I wanted to make sure I kind of eat this nice and neat when I go to sample this. But your family might enjoy this too. So I am going to plate this up and then we are going to taste this. It is going to be so good. Well, like I said at the beginning of the video, this is quick and simple. And I'm sorry, I forgot to mention, it is vegetarian friendly. Now, you can make this vegan by adding vegan cheese. But you know, I'm a bit of a rat. Slowly but surely, I will convert, maybe. But now the thing to do is taste it. Mm. Mm, mm, mm. Mm. So this is going to be one of my go-to wraps this summer when you don't want to, when I don't feel like cooking. This is very good. Mm-mm-mm. Mm. The crunch of the cucumber, the hummus and guacamole, delicious. And as you see, have some apple slices and maybe a little bit of pretzel chips. Or pita chips. Mm. 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 No stove needed. If you can, buy your stuff. Make it quick and simple. And those wraps that I have, the tortillas, are keto friendly. So for those of you who are doing the whole keto diet, this is really good for you. Now, if you want to watch your carbs, you can probably do it with lettuce. Have whole romaine lettuce or lettuce leaves. You can use the buttery bib lettuce or whatever and add the same filling to it. However you want. But this recipe is very good. It is so delicious. And like I said, it's keto friendly. It's very good for, I can't stop saying, it's very good. That's all I gotta say. But if you like this video, please click like, share, and subscribe. Be sure to leave a comment if this is something you would like to try. It's so good. My son likes it. My youngest boy likes it. My daughter, she doesn't like hummus, so this is not a recipe she would try. If you don't like hummus, use just the avocado mash or the guacamole. If you don't like guacamole, use just the hummus. If you like neither hummus or guacamole, then just use all vegetables. You make it however you like. So, like I said before, please click like, share, subscribe, leave a comment, and also leave in the comments section what type of low carb, low fat, what kind of health regimen are you beginning or have you already started to help you lose weight or to get healthier for this summer. Thank you for watching. God bless and have a great day.